20 road, so I'm just gonna
Yeah.
go.
Go ahead when you see the roundabout warning sign. Let me know.
Okay.
Your speed is now is changing to 30.
To where?
You missed the sign on
I
the
did.
left. Little bit to the right. It's fine. There you go. Keep a good speed above 20 now.
Yeah. Now I see the roundabout sign.
It's the warning sign, yeah? And
Yeah.
roundabout, go ahead.
Okay. This is mini roundabout.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna make sure I don't go on the roundabout, but one signal, check on my right to see whether I can go.
Little
Now
bit to the right and go.
I'll start checking whether someone is coming on the right hand side.
Okay.
There is a car coming, but they're going straight. They're going on the left, they didn't signal. Right, they didn't signal, so I could go. So I am following the curve of the roundabout. And then
Good.
emerging from the roundabout.
Little
checking
bit to the
back.
right so you can see
Yeah.
properly.
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's just the view wise.
Yeah.
It's a really big bend here.
Yeah.
Is your view open or restricted here?
Is restricted.
Okay.
Okay. So am I still in a 30 line road?
Yes, of course. You didn't see the new sign?
No.